I got him. I got him. Was that bass? Nope, can't be a bass. Has to be a striper. Got him on that Durillis I found. I found this Durillis at San Luis. Woo! Man, this guy's coming up. What is he? What is he? That looks like a keeper. Booyah! Yeah, this guy's 19. This guy's 19. Woo wee! No? Let him go?
19, yeah, we can keep it.
You can keep it? I didn't bring a bag.
I brought bags.
Let's go. Mom. Oh god. Yep. Muscle this guy out. Whoa. This guy looks like, nah, it looks small. This guy is probably under. Oh no, this guy is 19 also.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Oh, got him. Yeah.
That bass.
Whoa, that's cool. Oh, I had to dodge my router trap. Got the freaking slingshot right at me. Yeah, I was gonna switch it to a worm, but oh damn, I can't believe I didn't record that. Oh, that's not Ooh.
It's a nice bass.
Little chunks, maybe like a pound. Nah, maybe less than a pound. Yeah, boy. Oh, I see a bigger. I see a pretty big. I see a decent sized bass over here. Ooh, fucking came after it. Why is bass fishing so fun when you can see them? Ooh. Got him, boy! Woo! Try Try not to get this guy dirty. Oh. Robo worm, baby. Yeah, boys. Stripers don't bite. Always go bass fishing. Got him. Got him. Yep. Got him under the bridge. Oh, he got caked up. All right, buddy. Don't tell your homies I'm here. Boom. No. Oh, it's a bass, dude. It's a bass. Oh, it's a big bass too, dude. I say maybe a 2-pounder. Yeah. Chunks. Oh shit. All right, buddy.